How to clean kitchen sink. What is the best way to clean cast iron kitchen sink? What is the best cleaner for cleaning kitchen sink? In today's video, we are going to try Barkeeper's Friend Soft Cleanser to see if this really works, really cleans cast iron kitchen sink. And so let's dive right in. And before we start, don't forget to put on your protective eyeglass to protect you from any splash, any drops, any drips. So remember to put that on before we start, and let's go. So this is our cast iron sink, and we can see the stains, all the scratches and everything else here. We can see all this, see inside there, and we're gonna try and see how we can get this off. So things you're gonna need, you need your soap pad, your gloves, and remember your eyeglasses to protect your eye. And we are going to use Barkeeper's Friend Soft Cleanser. So I'm putting my glass on. So we are going to try the Barkeeper's Friend Soft Cleanser. It's supposed to be good for ceramics, tiles, copper, also porcelain, and stainless steel. I've used this on a baking sheet and it really works. So we are going to try it also. You can watch that video where I use it to clean a baking sheet. It works so marvelous. So we are going to try it on this cast iron sink to see if the Barkeeper's Friend really works. So this is going to be a test video. We can all see that this works, and if it does, then this is another addition to my cleaning product that I have. So let's start. I'm going to wear my disposable gloves. That's what I feel like wearing. And all you have to do, you have to shake this. Just shake it really well. Okay, once that is done, we are going to wet inside of the sink. So just run a water. And I wet my sponge as well. And just wet the inside. If you have a cast iron sink, you understand this really gets dirty so quickly. It catches stains so quickly. So let's see, let's hope that this helps us get these stains off. Once you shake it, we are opening it, and I'm just gonna start spraying. Just sides. And then once that is done, I am going to spread it. Just use your sponge to spread it all inside the sink to cover all it around. And I'm just going to put some on the faucet itself. Oh, okay. Once you spread this all around in the sink, make sure you spread it all evenly. And then we take this out. We are going to spray this as well. Make sure it's all covered. And just spread it all around it. All inside, to cover every inch. All right, this is all covered now. We're going to set it aside, and then we are just going to pour some on the sponge, and then we are just going to go inside there, making sure that that is also covered. Okay, and then we are just going to leave this to soak in for 5 minutes, and then we will start scrubbing. All right, so it's been 5 minutes. We'll just start scrubbing. You can use the soap pad, but this sponge that I have a scrubbing dot on here, so it really helps to clean if I don't use a soap pad. So we're just going to use this. Just start scrubbing. Well, I'm start seeing a difference. Well, let's see. Well, that is scrubbing. Look at it. It's making a much difference. Let's see. Well, we see this. Well, that is gone. All the scratch is gone. Well, this has really cleaned. It took all the scratches that we have, all the stains. It's getting clearer, getting clean. Oh wow, that's amazing. That's good. Now we're just gonna go inside. Clean all this out. This has really cleaned. Alright, now that we finished that, we are going to clean this. Let's clean our stopper, our drain. Wow. Look at that. Oh well, look at that. The inside. Alright, so we have finished cleaning this, and it looks like everything looks clean. Make one more quick over. Clean all the edges. And then the next thing we clean is going to just use the soft part and then wipe the faucet. And just go over one more. The edges here. The edges here. All around here. So this has clean. It has really clean. That's amazing. Now we're just gonna wash this off now. This is clean now. Do all the edges. Do all that clean. So you can see this has really clean. Look at how it was before and now. All this is clean. Looking shiny now inside. Then just wipe everything down. Now just use this. Use my microfiber duster to wipe this. And look at how shiny this is looking now. It's all clean. Alright, so all this is clean now. Everything is wiped down. Look at all the inside, all the sides. That's all clean, wiped down. Look at that. Look at all the sides. It's all clean. So now we can see that this really works. And now you can see everything is clean. You just wipe this down. Taking these gloves, this is going to be thrown away. Wash my hands. And then we make sure all this is wiped down neat. And it is shining. Hello friends, we just tried the Barkeeper's Friend soft cleanser to clean the cast iron of our sink, and we saw how it came out. Everything, it cleans it neatly, cleans all the scratches, all the stains, all the rust that were in the sink. They were all clean. So this is recommended. This is something that you can also add to your cleaning product to clean your sink. This is actually good for whether you have a stainless steel sink, whether you have a ceramic sink, whether you have a regular sink. Any sink at all you have, you can use the Barkeeper's Friend soft cleanser on it. You can use this in your bathroom sink as well, which I have tried and it works, and you saw it really works. So this is something that I can recommend. This is something that I'm adding to my cleaning product as well, because I saw how effectively it does work on the cast iron sink, which is what I have. Now, if you want to learn how to clean your cast iron sink using just awesome and comment, I have a video on that. Watch that next. My name is Florence at florencestraka.com. If you have any cleaning product that really works for you, please leave in the comment section below for me. Subscribe to this channel so I can make more videos like this. Like, comment, and share this video. Thank you for watching. I will see you on my next video. Take care. Bye.